What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is KennyJTV. In this video, I will be talking about which insurance license should you get first. I get this question all the time, comments and private messages. People are always asking which license should you get first. I have my opinion and then I have the facts as well. It depends on the route you want to take. So if you want to have that stability and you want to have that base salary with the benefits, I would highly recommend going and getting your property and casualty license first. The reason being is companies like Allstate, State Farm, Geico will hire you on if you have your property and casualty license to sell home, auto, sometimes even commercial insurance, and you're in the office from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, or you are remote. People that are leaving a job that has nice salary and had the benefits, they find this to be more comforting because it's not a huge jump or you're not door knocking or things like that. So I would highly recommend doing this if you want to be more so in that office atmosphere and still feel like you have that steady salary coming in. Because straight commission can be very intimidating because if you don't sell, you don't get paid. Of course, if you do take this route, you would be on the captive side. But also, I started on the captive side and learned everything that I needed to know in order to be successful on the independent side. If you start out with your life and health license, I would highly recommend just go ahead and being independent. People are always like, I want to start with a big company that I know or a big name company so I can get the training. But a lot of people don't know that you can get that same exact training or even better training with these independent companies. You have to think about it like this. You are selling these products for this company, and the last thing that they want to happen is for you not to be informed on the product or for you not to sell the product. So they provide a plethora of trainings, a plethora of one-on-one time that you can get the knowledge and the information you need in order to be successful. You don't have to go with a big name company. And of course, you have the underwriting team as well. So if you have a risk where you don't know if it's gonna fit here or there or with this carrier or what to rate them, you can always reach out to the underwriting team. And these are the people that are looking at the policies anyway or the applications when you write them and submit them. So go ahead and go to them and say, hey, will this get approved, or what do I need to do if they have high blood pressure or diabetes? They may even say, hey, we're not the carrier for that, so don't even pretty much waste your time and write the application for it to get denied. With your life and health license, it is a very lucrative career. You can make millions of dollars. I've seen millionaires, people with 6 figures that just do life insurance or just do life and health insurance. But with that, it's harder to get clients. Because with life insurance and health insurance, it's not mandated by the state like property and casualty is. If I have a vehicle, by law, I have to have the auto insurance. But with life insurance and health insurance, it is not mandated by the state to get that insurance. So it's all about marketing and reaching out to your warm market and seeing how you can encourage and inform your community on the importance of life and health insurance. And the commission payout on life products is amazing. I will go ahead and tell you that. With property and casualty, it is a numbers game. You know, you can get anywhere from 10% to 15% commission on property and casualty products, but for life insurance, I've seen anywhere from 80% all the way up to 140% commission of the premium. So you can imagine if you're writing a few policies at $1,000 a piece, you're getting more than $1,000 on that premium in certain cases, in certain carriers as well. Which is why so many people are so successful with life insurance, of course, minus the chargebacks and the cancellation and things like that. I've seen so many people become super successful just off of life insurance or life and health insurance. As I said, with property and casualty, you have that stability, and it's also for someone who wants to work for that big name company, for that Allstate, for that State Farm, for that Geico or Farmers. You have that office that you can go into, and you don't have to do as much marketing, because if I'm going to a new city, let's say I move to New York next week and I say, you know what, I need some auto insurance. I'm gonna look up the State Farms, I'm gonna look up the Geicos and see where I can get the best coverage from. These insurance companies are well known. They've done an amazing job of marketing on commercials. Even for the Super Bowl, you see all of these bigger insurance companies marketing themselves. So you working for them is already, you have a one-up, because you have that marketing that's already been paid for through the company. So all you have to do is say, hey, I'm Kenny from ABC Insurance, and everybody knows who that is. They're more prone to go ahead and buy that product, and that gives you that stability on top of the base salary and even possibly health benefits. And when I was first thinking about this, I was like, you know, PNC has a lot of variety. You have homeowners, you have renters, you have auto insurance, you have inland marine, you have commercial, and it's so many different policies that you can do. But then looking at the life and health side, you have literally just as much. You have the traditional whole life, you have the IULs, you have the term life, you have all these different policies that you can do. So both sides have a lot of diversity. It just depends on what you want to focus on. So if you're on the PNC side and you just want to focus on commercial insurance, or even you want to even go farther and just focus on trucking insurance, you can be the master of just that one thing. Or even on life and health, if you just want to focus on IULs, or you just want to focus on Medicare supplement, you can do that as well. So no matter which way you go, there's so many different avenues that you can go in. Or you can be kind of the jack of all trades, have your hand in everything, and that is lucrative as well. And if you are an agency owner and you are building up a team, you can start to hire people to specialize in different things. So therefore, when they're speaking with clients, they are very informed on what they're talking about. If it was up to me, if somebody comes to me and says, Kenny, which license should I get first? I want to get all of the license, but I want to be super successful with the insurance industry, I would 110% say go ahead and get your property and casualty license first, because you have a lot more options. If you want to go captive, if you want to go independent, you can do that with those PNC license, and you can honestly get business in the door a lot faster due to the state mandates for certain insurance. That is just my opinion on which license you should get first. They're all great licenses to get. I have all of them myself, and I enjoy riding in each avenue, in each category. It's been a joy, it's been a pleasure, and I've learned so much while riding these different policies. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. We are dropping a video every week. Yep, every week. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is KennyJTV.